Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got a package in today from Hobby Nut Models. I know the majority of everything that's in here, but I figured I'd open it up on camera so you can see what my order is. It's like Christmas every day at the Inman house. No, I wish it was every day. It's not every day, but it is at least once a month. I buy something from Hobby Nut Models, and Mark usually throws something else in there, which is great of him. Thank you so much, Mark. Let's see what we got in here. And sometimes when I order stuff, I forget what I've ordered, so it's like a shocker when I get in it of what it is. Oh, so this is I also want to show you when you get your stuff from Hobby. I should have shaken the box. It's not loose. It's not flying around in there. There's nothing getting damaged. Mark always sends a nice invoice and sometimes writes on it. He didn't write on this one. So there's a model kit. I did not order a model kit, but he sent me one. Cool. And so yes, all the comics you want right there. And then when he sends you supplies, they're all in the, he does a great job packing. Props to you, Mark. And then paint, all nicely done. And then model kit. Look at all them comics. So what he has sent me, 1971 Olds 442 W30. I have fallen in love with the this year model 69. This one too. Just the Olds. I would rather have that than a Chevelle any day. I love the looks of the Olds. That's why I decided to soup one of those up with the Boss Ford engine that I built. This is going to be cool. It's a Revell kit. I think it's new. Pretty sure it's a new kit. It's, when I say new, a new tooling. I want you to look at something already. Two different builds. See the chassis? It's all black. See that chassis? It's what is it? Green. Looks like a more professional job. How do you like that? Two different builds on there. Nice looking car. Thank you, Mark. I'll be opening this one up very soon and checking it out. It's 1/25th scale. This is not an old monogram or anything like that. So, and you know, this is not a AMT because the 69 was a MPC, then became AMT. But this is a Revell, and it's 1/25th. So can't wait to check that out. Let's see what's in these little bubble wrap burritos here. Oh yes, I remember now. Sure. Oh yeah, cool. I remember now. I ordered this stuff and then forget what I ordered. So first, I wanted to try some of this. This is a Mr. Hobby, Mr. Compound, a fine, it's a 3000. Man, if you could read Japanese, it would be so great. Because they put a lot more Japanese stuff on here than they do English. But anyway, this is the fine. They have a coarse, a fine, and a super fine. This is the fine bottle of rubbing compound, and it comes with a cloth as well. Got that from Mark. I forget what it cost. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. Go check it out. Got a bottle of AK Black Widow CA glue. Gonna try that. Not that I had any trouble with like using old store brand stuff. Loctite, I think, is the last stuff I've been using. But sometimes they formulate this stuff specifically for models. Here are some Infinity sanding sticks. These things are great. Here's 400 grit. You get them in a pack of 2. 400 grit, 800 grit. Now these are the thinner ones. They are still padded, but they're thinner. And here are the thicker ones, really soft. 4,000 grit, so that would be like a smoother than a baby's bottom. 4,000 grit's pretty darn slick. So you can do some, I can do some more fine sanding with that. Now here's a block. This is the fun part here. This is paint. I love ordering paint. Even though I've probably got more paint than I'll ever use, I love it. When I see paint colors, I just think, what could I paint that on? What could I paint that on? Let's see what we got here. MCW into little boxes. Let's see what colors. It's a 6-pack, man. All right. Oh yeah, forgot about that. Ah. And I refill on my Tamiya masking tape. That stuff's great. I've tried the Hobby Lobby stuff. It's just not as good. All right, what colors we got here? Gloss white, just basic gloss white. I wanted some of that so I could do some mixing and things if I wanted to. Gloss white. Jaguar Racing Green. I've got a Jaguar. I got a couple Jaguars. That's why I got that. Jaguar Racing Green. Calypso Cream. I love the old cream colors. These would be under, when you go to his website, under the, you got 2 different sets of cars, like, let's say, 30s, 20s to 40s, and or 50s, and then 50s to like 80. And these, you tend to, the older cars, you tend to get a lot less of metallic colors, and I like colors that aren't metallic sometimes for an older build. Light gunmetal metallic, burnt amber metallic. I saw this one. It was painted on his website. It's part number 6737E, but it's painted, looks like on a Fairlane, and oh my goodness, it looked nice. So I can't wait to get that sprayed on something. Ford engine blue. Why Ford engine blue, Matthew? Because I'm a Ford guy. That's why. Curious yellow. This is really bright. I think this was on the website. It was sprayed, I think, on a duster. Really bright yellow. Cool color. Flat black and gloss black. Another gloss white. I got 2 of those. This is argent silver. Very silver. I mean, like, that dude is going to be super silver, whatever gets the argent silver treatment. And Ford engine gold. One color that I didn't have is Ford engine gold. I've got Chevy orange, Hemi orange, or Chevy red, Hemi orange, but I did not have Ford engine gold, and now I do. So I can properly paint a period correct, or have the period correct paint for a older Ford engine. I love red paint jobs, and this is just bright red. Pretty sure that's what I painted my 40 with. I think I added a touch of orange to my paint that I painted the 40. I wanted to give it just a touch of orange, and man, bright red, awesome. Just yellow, straight up yellow, and that is very yellow. Clear tincture gold pearl. I've not tried this yet. It's just pearl additive, so I guess it is because it's clear. So I'll have to read up on how to use this, but it's going to be cool, and paint something with some gold pearl in it. That ought to look pretty. And here's just standard gloss green. But that was my order. I just wanted to do a quick video, show you guys, if you order from Hobby Nut, how you get it. He's got all the different size tapes for your refills and all that stuff. Get you some sanding pads. These things work great. I use them every time I'm at the bench, unless it's a freshly painted kit. Obviously, I'm not sanding on that, but can't wait to try this buffing compound, and I think I'll try it on the fenders of the Renault Vivistella. I'll try it on there because that Black Tamiya paint didn't turn out like I wanted it. So I will try to buff it and glue something together with some AK Black Widow Caranolite glue. Alright guys, quick video over already. Well, it's still 10 minutes. But anyways, thanks for watching guys. Go check out Hobby Nut Models. Support the small business. He needs your business. He wants your business. And I want you to go take advantage of what he's got. So go check out Market Hobby Nut. Thank you to all my subscribers. I greatly appreciate you. If you hadn't subscribed, would you consider clicking that subscription button? And yeah guys, all the other things that are in the description, the Facebook group, the Spring Store, the Patreon group, and all those things, that take part in those, thank you so much. And I am done. I got to get to work next door on the old Heller and get it finished up. So you guys take care, and we will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.